Hi, I thought I'd just do a short video of my Diamondback tool belt that I have. I have the what's called the Raptor set. It's the cheapest of the ones that they do, but still not cheap. But I would say it's actually really good quality and it's extremely well made. And I presume all the rest of the belts are exactly the same made. So what you get is you get just a normal belt to go through your loops in your jeans. It all works very good. The only downside is that where you hoop it on, that tends to get a wee bit like frayed after a while. So that's the only thing I'd maybe change on it, or I'd prefer just a normal actual buckle and then just have the Velcro part at the back. That's something I think should be different. Then you can choose your belt size. I've got a 6-inch. They do like a 2-inch and a 4 and an 8-inch. There's maybe another size and I can't properly remember, but it's whatever you want. And then I have the plastic buckles. You do get metal ones, but I've just found the plastic ones more than adequate. I'd give you a spare set now. I've had about maybe 3 years now, 2.5, 3 years, I can't remember, and they're still fine. The belt itself is a car seat belt, so it's extremely toughly made. Then, so this is the side that goes on my right hand side. So at the moment I've got staples in this pouch here and some bits and pieces, but you can have whatever you want in there. There's not any hard and fast rule. A bit box and a wee secret pouch, and you can still get your hand in there. You can't store loads of stuff, but just like something to fit in, a few fixings. Then I've got 90s in here at the moment, just because I was saying I don't have enough room to store them. And I keep my rule in here. Now there should be 3, but I went and kind of put on a chisel in window guard. So chisel in there. So you can have it. So my rule goes in there, and then something else. Then I have the chalk line. Then at the front here, a knife, but I don't like this one. I want the Stanley Fat Max knives, but they changed the design to this stupid like push-in buttons, and all that actually happens is the blade comes out, so that got tossed. Then a pencil, slot for nail punches, or another pencil. Then on the set it just comes with the hammer loop here. Now, I personally didn't actually get on with it. I found it used to, when you got up and down, it would actually come out. It would go like that, and it was also, I found it awkward to get. Whereas, I got the hammer sleeve, and it's completely natural. So that's kind of got set up at the moment, but there's not really any hard and fast rules to it. Then on the left hand side, I keep my tape measure in the top pocket. Then if we come down, where the speed square, but I've never used one myself, but that's a different story. I actually keep saw blade in there, so if I'm been using the saw, I've got a spare blade, so if I'm ripping something or wet wood, I can have like a ripping blade instead of the cross cut. A set of drawings which is finished with, they go in there. Then you've got the main pouch where I've got a stash of nails, 63s. Then we've got another secret pouch of called, and I've got some hammer fixings. And then in the outside pouch, more nails, but usually I keep the twist nails here. But I've kind of got a bit of a dolly mixture at the moment. So there's twist nails, but again empty. Then this couple of tool loops, which sometimes I put like a nail bar or a pry bar, and then the square in if I want to. Then same as the other side, I've got a space for a knife or a chisel or whatever. Then I've got a slot for the nail punch to go, and then another slot for whatever you want. It's not important what you have, it's just whatever works for other people. The belts or the pouches is something like, I don't know, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, maybe about 6 layers of actual material. It is showing a little bit sign of wear, but you know, I'm not going to complain. It's pretty wet. It's pretty tough. They're still really solid, like stitching's like double stitched. They're all really tough there, so you're not going to wear them out. So on the back you have the material part that sticks to the Velcro. And then that's how the back of the hammer sleeve looks. Now I got the retro fit, but if I was doing it again and getting a pouch for the right hand side, I would have the hammer sleeve put on. I just find it so much better. There's this stitching at the back, all extremely toughly made, more seatbelt type material. Now you can take the pouches off they don't slide round like you maybe get on like the leather tool belts. So all we do, try and show you a wee bit, unclip try and show you. Right, so hopefully I've got this right.